Normal Finance. We can increase your returns with crypto indexes and lending. In today's video, Normal Finance is going to put our money where our mouth is. We are going to invest $10,000 of company funds into our crypto index and lending platform. We're going to put $2,000 into the normal crypto index. We're going to put $2,000 into the normal DeFi index. We're going to put $2,000 into the normal AI data index. We're going to put $2,000 into the normal top 10 index. And we are going to lend $1,000 into Normal's lending service. Welcome to Normal's app. Once you are logged in, here is our homepage. As you can see, we have 10,000 US dollars ready to invest. Straight from your bank, you can deposit or withdraw cash. You can sell any of your crypto. For the first index order today, we are going to order from the Quick Invest on the homepage. We're going to invest $2,000 into the normal top 10 index for a 0.5% or $10 fee. Scroll down to invest. You can see the successful investment order. Top 10 investment, April 3rd. It's pending. That takes a second or so. Patience is key. Back to the homepage, you can see the investment went through. The US dollar amount changed. You can see how much fees you've saved, the total you've indexed, and now your balance will update with your new assets. For the second index investment today, we're gonna head over to the Indexes tab on the left side of the screen. We're gonna invest $2,000 into the Normal AI Data Index. You can see the Normal AI Data Index was up a whopping 500% in the last 6 months alone. In the AI Index, you are getting 20 assets for a 0.5% fee. We are investing $2,000 into the Normal AI Data Index for a $10 total fee. We get the top 20 AI data cryptocurrencies, with a few missing since we're buying as a US citizen. Moving on with the third index investment today, we are going to be buying the Normal DeFi Index. These are the top tokens empowering decentralized finance, such as lending and borrowing projects. The Normal DeFi Index is up 210% in the last 6 months. We will invest another $2,000 into the Normal DeFi Index for a $10 fee. Click Invest, and you can see the successful investment order at the top of the page. Moving on to our final index investment of the day, we are buying the flagship Normal Crypto Index. The Normal Crypto Index represents the entire crypto market, buying a whopping 100 cryptocurrencies all at once in one click. The Normal Crypto Index is up 150% in the last 6 months. We will invest $2,000 into the Normal Crypto Index for a $10 fee. Boom. We invested into 4 of the normal indexes, $8,000 total. Now, we do nothing and just watch it grow. For today's final investment, we are going to lend $1,000 at Normal's lending technology. On the Normal Finance app, go over to the left side and click Lending. We're going to deposit $1,000 and boom, if you want to withdraw, no problem. And there we have it. Normal Finance has invested $10,000 into our own platform. I'm glad we put our money where our mouth is. Thanks for watching and seeing a little bit of how our platform works and what we're doing here. We expect great gains from these investments and excited to watch them grow. Stay tuned for monthly and quarterly updates on the Normal Treasury, and we're also going to be doing some fun giveaways, so get excited for some free crypto. Did you like what you saw today and want to get started with crypto indexes and lending at Normal Finance? Sign up today and become the best crypto investor in a few clicks. At normalfinance.io, you can have all of crypto in one click. Let's go.